My name is Bill Stahl. I am the CEO, co-founder, and chief qualitative scientist for ThinkSheet Inc. The purpose of this episode in our ThinkSheet, The Real World, Yesterday, Today, and Tomorrow, is to provide an overview of the videos in the accompanying playlist describing the financial benefits of becoming part of our ThinkSheet network due to our PI plus AI multimedia platform and market of all professionals worldwide making decisions that involve complex qualitative factors. OpenAI is a huge technological breakthrough with special value to ThinkSheet because it is primarily a qualitative tool and will radically accelerate time to value for our qualitative workflows. A screenshot of the playlist on YouTube. The videos are organized into three groups. First, unique features, advantages, and benefits. Second, the market. And third, valuation. Unique features, advantages, and benefits. ThinkSheet solves the qualitative modeling problem, perhaps the biggest problem for decision makers. Henry Kissinger can what-if multiple geopolitical outcomes, like with Richard Nixon, in ThinkSheet models. Same with any leaders, from Xi Jinping to Jamie Dimon to the G7, on one-pagers. The comparison test between quant models and ThinkSheet qualitative plus quantitative models. ThinkSheet models are structured, quantify the qualitative in the user's vocabulary, visualize the user's complete thought process as a visual story and dynamic, and generates a complete, precise answer instantly. No other commercially available models can do this with potential exponential ROI increases for large firms. ThinkSheet has virtually unlimited versatility. If you can think it, write it, or speak it, or even dream it, you can ThinkSheet it. This is a smartphone analogy in which a tech strategist compares ThinkSheet to the smartphone in terms of innovation and impact. The video focuses on the use by the C-suite to make the firm's most important decisions and how much more productive the AI engineers will be because they can see what CEOs like Jamie Dimon consider most important. The one-pager is the start and end of the workflow for both the C-suite teams and the engineers. OpenAI will dramatically accelerate the collaborative workflow. This is a powerful example in the OpenAI video. This is the output in 3 seconds. OpenAI answers vary in quality, but we are learning its highest and best uses. The ThinkSheet home run. The Six Sigma PI plus AI visual intelligence platform made possible by ThinkSheet users' ability to quantify the qualitative with OpenAI acceleration. The massive size of the ThinkSheet market due to the ThinkSheet solution to the huge uncertainty problem. Hopefully led by the C-suite like JP Morgan and Morgan Stanley and other large firms. The multimedia use cases ranging from meetings, in person and remote, to podcasts, to news and education. Examples range from Zoom meetings to The Economist podcast, Bloomberg News, and graduate school education like business, law, medicine, and psychology. Finally, valuation using Bill Gurley's criteria. The new market is number one. Second, sustainable competitive advantage in the form of our assets like our 200 plus models and 100 plus videos, customizable modules. And finally, our co-founders who invented and developed the platform.